Hello friends, I hope you all are doing well in these market conditions and you are able to keep your health also in control. Today I am going to talk about a practical approach how to take a call on any particular script or indices. This is very practical and from my experience I am able to manage this trade for past couple of years. This is one of the most income generating strategy. Name of the strategy is diagonal calendar spread. I am quite sure if you do it with the proper risk management, you will be able to churn money as an income month after month. I am not saying that you will win all the time, but with the proper risk management and with the proper risk capital, you will be able to manage the trade and make any unfavorable circumstances into your favor. Without wasting any time into this, let me take you to the slides and explain you how I have been doing it for past couple of years and how it will help you. Recently, I had implemented this strategy on Reliance Script. Let me show you how did I initiate the trade and how did I finish it off. The trade what I have taken is for Reliance. Reliance, as you can see, it has gone up from 875 level to 2100 level in just 4 months. It has shoot up like anything. So I am expecting the Reliance stock to be range bound to flat or mildly bullish in near future. So based on this assumption, I have taken a plain strategy called calendar diagonal spread. So my view is here basically maybe little bearish to mildly bullish. So I have taken a trade entry on 24th July of 2 lots each. 2 lots means 1 lot of Reliance shares is basically 505 quantity. So 2 lot means 1010 quantity in each leg. So basic strategy setup is I sold 2180 call of July and I bought 2300 call options of August. So basically it's a diagonal calendar spread. Capital requirement here was 1.9 lakhs approx and I had kept 2 lakhs for risk management. If trade doesn't go well, I have to manage the trade. The break even point in the below side it is 2000 and above side it is 2260. That means if Reliance breaks below 2000 level, then I need to adjust the trade. Or if Reliance goes above 2260, I need to adjust the trade. And for that purpose, I am keeping the 2 lakh capital as a risk management. As you can see, the payoff diagram, which is clearly showing that break even is around 2200 to 2180 level, the maximum profit would be 45,000 to 48,000 on expiry. So in the left hand side, you can see that 2180 call I sold it of July contract at 38.75 and 27th August 2300 call contract I have bought it at 68.78. So basically I am selling a call options for near month for close options strike and I am buying a call option for far month and for out of the money call strike. That is basically a structure of diagonal calendar spread. Bottom you can see the capital requirement 1.9 lakhs and as a risk management I kept the capital of 2 lakhs in my hand for crisis management. These positions I had taken on 24th July 2020. So as I can go forward, I had posted that, let me tell you, I had posted the same strategy on my Twitter on July 24th itself. You can have a look on that. So basically in this strategy, the basic advantage is that your capital requirement is very less. I mean the margin requirement. Only by deploying 90,000 to 1 lakh capital you can make this strategy. And the profit potential is almost 50% on the expiry if the Reliance stock expire on the 2200 near level. I didn't wait till the expiry because during the last 2 days of the expiry, margin requirement is going to be so high, so that you need to put more capital. So I squared up all my positions 2 days before expiry, which was 29th in this case. I closed down the 2100 call options of July contract, which I sold it at 38.75. I closed it down by 21.90 level. So there itself I made a profit of 17,000. And the bought option of August, which I bought it around 68.78, I sold it at 80.50. And from that leg itself, I am again getting profit of 11,800. So together I made a profit of 28,800. You can see from profit and loss diagram, profit and loss chart from the console of Zerodha. So from here, what I want to explain you that with this very short time, with a very less capital, constantly you can churn a very good profit. I will show you the capital, how it works in this particular strategy. I have deployed 1.9 lakhs of capital, holding time, as you can see, that 5 days only, from 24th to 29th, and it generated profit of around 28,000. It's not a small amount, it's not a small profit. The return, if you can calculate, it would be around 15% almost in 5 days. For the worst case scenario, if you don't want to hold till 5 days, if you want to exit your trade lesser than the return, let us say 5% or 10%, still you can do it. I hope all of you have enjoyed my video. Next, I will be making videos on all non-directional strategies. Those are mostly again income generating strategies.